Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 6 of exercise 8.2 of chapter 8, comparing quantity of class 7. So see here in this exercise, in this question number 6, what is saying here? Convert given percents to decimals, fractions and also to the fractions in the simplest form. It means to say here that we are going to convert this percents into fractions, then decimals and the simplest form also. Fine. So let's start it now. As 25% is given to us, so its fraction is 25 upon 100, because this percent sign shows that it will be in the denominator, 100 will be in the denominator, so it will be 25 upon 100. Then after that, decimal form, what we will do here? You can insert decimal according to, you can see here 2 zeros are there with 1, mean to say 100 is there. So what we will do here? We will insert decimal, fine, in front of or before 2 digits we can say. So right here 0.25, mean to say 2 digits must be there after the decimal according to these 2 zeros. So it will be 0.25, fine. The next is simplest form. Simplest form mean to say here we will divide it as much as we can. So 25 by 100, we write here 25 by 100, then we will cancel it, it becomes 1 by 4. And now you can see here we can't solve them further. So this is the simplest form. So in this way you can write in the form of fraction, then decimal, then the simplest form. These are the 3 forms. Fine. Then after that, see next part. I am having 150%. So 150% mean to say here, before solving it, I will convert in the form of fraction. So 150% means 150 upon 100. Fine. Because this percent carries 100. So 1 by 100 is there. And decimal form, what is decimal form? 150 divided by 100, we will cancel it. And we will not simplify, we will not further simplify it further, because we know that we can insert decimal easily with the help of this 10. Fine. So it will be 1.5, because in denominator of 15 there is only 10, only 1 zero is there with 1. So we will put here decimal in between 15, that is 1.5. This means this 0 shows that there should be only 1 digit after the decimal. Fine. So see next C part, see what is saying here. 20% of whom we have to find out the 20% simplest form, fraction and decimal all. So again fraction is 20 by 100, then decimal form 20 divided by 100, and on simplifying we got here 0.2, it is its decimal form. Then simplest form, what we will do here, we will cancel it, and after that we got here 1 by 5 and we can't solve it. So this is your simplest form as 1 by 5. So in this way you can simplify all these parts of the sum, and the next part you can do it yourself. See next question number 7, what is saying here? In a city 30% are females, 40% are males and the remaining are children. Fine. What percent are children? That we have to find. As we know that the total percent is always 100%. Are you getting marks? And you getting that how many percent you got? We know that the total percent is always 100. So as we are going to simplify this sum, so again we will check that in this out of 100, 30% are female and 40% are male already given, and the remaining mean to say here 30 plus 40, it is 70. It mean to say out of 100, 70 both male and females are there, and the remaining we have to check the remaining. After simplifying this, we will simply what we'll do, we'll subtract this 70 from 100 and we get whatever you get the answer, that will be the percentage of the children which are there, the remaining children. How many percent, how much the person, what is the percent of the children which are remaining there. So it means to say the remaining percentage will be of the children's only. Fine. So see how to do it. Let's start it now. The total percentage, as we know that it is 100%. Then the percentage of female, it is 30% as it is given to us. Then percentage of males, male is 40% is given to us. See here. Then the total percentage of both males and females, 30 plus 40, that is 70%. Then percentage of children we have to find out. So what we will do here? Total percentage minus percentage of males and females. You need to see here the total percentage is already 100 we have written here, and the sum of the males and females percentage is 70. So 100 minus 70, that is 30%. That means to say here, hence 30% are children there. Fine. In this way you can simplify question number 7.